Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily remove bookmarks on Safari web browser on your iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Safari web browser. Then right here tap at bookmark icon, then select bookmarks tab, and then you can get into favorites. Now it shows some bookmarks, and in order to remove them from here you can just swipe to the left to show up delete option and then just hit on that. Also, you can hit at edit, and that shows you that minus signs, and you can just tap at that signs and hit at delete to quickly remove multiple bookmarks one by one. Once you finished with that, just hit at done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Safari and iPhone tutorials playlists, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.